In this video, I want to cover a new feature we've added with our ESS portal version 4.5, and it's the ability to take your portal and kind of put it into we call it maintenance mode. So people keep, in essence, if you're doing some maintenance on the portal, you wanted to make it people couldn't get to the site and submit requests or check the status of their items, you wanted to kind of put it into a maintenance mode, you now have that option. Now what we're doing is we're leveraging, for the portal maintenance mode messages, we're leveraging the announcements table. And so one of the things you'll see, just to kind of highlight a little bit how this is constructed, is you can come in here, you can create this announcement. You really won't see anything different on here. And I just want to call attention to, there's another field on these records to highlight whether it's a portal maintenance record. But it's not showing up right now because the feature is kind of turned off. So first of all, there is a on-off switch for this feature. If you go under Other, in the portal settings, you will see an activation switch for Activate Portal Maintenance feature. Right? So if I turn that on, and then I go back to this announcement record and I do a reload of this form, you will see there's a little flag here, Portal Maintenance. So one of the things that's happening is the portal is looking at this, and if the Portal Maintenance mode is on, it's looking at this announcements record table, looking for an active record that is from a previous date and before the to date. Right, so you can kind of stage and set these up in advance. Right, if I have maintenance coming up on this weekend, I can go out and create this maintenance record, mark it as active, put those dates in the date range for when I want it to be in a maintenance kind of mode. Right, and so just to kind of highlight, right, let me activate this, turn it on. So now my dates in the past, my to is not specified, so it's on to infinity. If I come in here and I do a refresh of my portal, what you're going to see is that it's part of the header. It'll kind of read these records and then say, hey, I got to throw the user to the maintenance mode page instead. So it's going to take me to this kind of maintenance mode. Now, if I try to hack this, right, and say I'm going to go to one of these other URLs, like maybe I know a URL is my catalog browse page, and try to force my way back into this, you'll see it kind of will continue to come back and redirect to that maintenance mode kind of page. The other thing I want to highlight is that these messages can contain some HTML in here as well. Right, so if I put some HTML tags, you will see it'll kind of highlight those things. So if I wanted to put images in here, or if I wanted to put links out to, more information can be found on this site. Right, use this site in the meantime. Right, I can do those kind of things in terms of the message. And again, and one thing to highlight, if I have multiple portal maintenance records at the same time frame, what it's going to do, it's going to take the first one that it has and it'll display that one. So you do want to make sure that you only have kind of one for that date time range, but you can create these in advance for multiple different scenarios. So that covers what I want to highlight today. Right, I also just cover lastly here, if I were to take this out of maintenance mode, you will see that I can kind of go back to my home page without issue. That's what I'm going to cover today. I hope this is helpful in terms of being able to turn on and off the availability of the portal for your consumers. I hope this is helpful. Thank you.